Welcome to another stock market update. We are looking at QNRX or coin, however you want to pronounce it, pharmaceuticals. So right now, as I'm looking, it's 31st of March. The biotech sector is breaking out. We can just zoom in on that actually and see. It's looking better than it did. So this 40-week moving average now is pushing out there and looking on a nice trajectory there. So it's not a bad place to be looking right now. It's pharmaceutical stocks like this one. So here's the big picture chart. You can see it's obviously had much better days. It's now 47 cents up here from in the hundreds of dollars. So which is, if you bought up here, that kind of sucked. But let's see what the opportunity is moving forward. Zooming into the daily chart here. In fact, it's so low, I'm going to have to increase the scale here so we can actually see what's going on. The interesting news, I don't know if there's such a thing as good news with a chart that looks as much of a shipwreck as this, but the interesting news is that you see these grey spikes here. This stock is actually being purchased by the big money. That's what that means. You can see the large institutions here starting to take an interest here. Those are big buying spikes here. So someone wants this stock to go up. Someone believes in this stock. The other good thing about it is it's formed this kind of, it's not like a little low shelf here around 48 cents, which is providing a kind of low risk entry point. What we can say is, buying at this level, if it broke this line of support, which is quite defined right now, then you could say, okay, get out with not much money lost, even like a tight 5%. What would be looking to happen upside wise though, is at some point here, this needs to get back above this sort of $3 range here, and that'll take it back above the 200-day moving average, and things can start turn around again. So as I say, the two good news points here with these big buying spikes here, that's buying volume going on, and we've got a nice entry point here with a very low risk attached to it because of that support line there at 48 cents. I will speak to you next time.